are 8 vocabulary words from this morning's vocabulary lesson and from our story. We have the word believe, lessons, delicious, remarkable, feast, snatch, fun, and stories. Okay, now I would like to make this bigger, but if I do that, we're going to lose track of where we're at because there's no numbers. So you need to be following along carefully today. Capiche? Okay. Here is the first sentence. It says, there are some blank that teach blank. What do you think would go in the first one? There are some blank that teach blank. Kinsley.
Lessons?
There are some lessons that teach. Lessons is one of the words, but I don't think it's the first word. Eli?
Stories and then lessons.
Yeah, there are some stories that teach lessons. You are right. So the first blank, everybody, is stories. S-T-O-R, drop the Y, and add I-E-S. And I know these are kind of small blanks, so make sure you write small and as neat as you can.
Lesson on here too?
And Mrs. Murphy will move in just a second here. Okay, so we have stories is the first one, and lessons is the second one. Carson, if you don't keep up with us, you're going to get behind, and then you're going to have to stay in that morning break. Okay, the next sentence Mrs. Murphy is going to read, and I know some of you are still writing, but I want you to listen to me and try to think what would go in there. This is one of those tales. Lion was very blank of cherries. Wyatt?
Lion was very remarkable.
Remarkable of cherries?
No.
No, I don't think that makes sense. Tyson?
This
Yeah, fond. That means he really, really likes it. So he's very fond of cherries. Fond. Everybody say fond.
Fond.
That's a very unique word. We don't use that word very often. Fond.
really fond.
He said, I blank that cherries are the best food. I blank that cherries are the best food. Libby. I snatched that cherries are the best food.
No.
Louis?
Believe.
I believe that cherries are the best food. So he believes that cherries are the best food.
Boom.
Oh, no, S. Sorry, Mrs. Murphy's got to fix that.
Believers?
Believe.
You looked at the other one.
I did the same thing. I added an S, not an E.
Okay, the next sentence says, when Lion heard that Hippo had lots of blank food, he went over to take a look. So I have delicious, I have feast, I have remarkable, and snatched. Aria. when Lion heard that Hippo had lots of snatched food, he went over to take a look. What do you guys think? No, not snatch. LES.
Delicious.
Delicious food.
Now you can add the S.
So delicious. That's a long word. Delicious.
How can you write that?
Okay, Miss Murphy's going to read the next sentence while you keep writing. Seeing all of Hippo's food made him want to blank. So seeing all that food, what is he going to want to do? Libby? No, he's not going to want to snatch, I don't think. He sees, oh, there's food. What is he going to want to do? Chris?
Feast.
Feast. He's going to want to feast. He's going to want to eat it. So feast. He's going to want to feast. On the table was a bowl of the biggest cherries he had ever seen. That's blank. What is he going to say? He's going to say it with excitement. That's what? Brooklyn?
Remarkable. Can I write it?
Nope. That's remarkable.
It's long.
Remarkable. Break it apart.
Remarkable is a long word.
Then mark. And then able.
If I can put it in there.
And I can't fit mine in there. If you can't fit yours in there, it's okay. That's a long word.
I almost Right, squeeze it. No.
We all know
So
the
we
last
all
one.
know the last one. Then Mrs. Murphy will read it. That's remarkable, thought Lion. He made a plan to snatch the cherries. Then he ran home with them. At home, Lion bit into a cherry. They were wax. What does wax mean, Raylan? If they're wax, you know what wax is?
Your ear.
Like in your ear or candle. So they were fake cherries.
Or like your
Yeah,
wax from your arm.
I think that's not wax though. The cherries had not been worth taking after all. So it wasn't worth taking those cherries because they weren't real cherries. They were fake ones. Yep, so snatch.
Who wants to eat wax?
Yeah, nobody wants to eat wax cherries.
I have some
They were made out of which wool?